In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to tap on Advanced Features. When you're ready, scroll all the way down again, but this time to choose Dual Messenger. Now, click on this switcher here next to your separate contact list if you want to use it for your cloned app. And to manage it, click on it on the left. Now, hit Select Contacts and after tapping on Add at the top right corner, select them. Once you've finished, hit Done at the top right corner. Then go back. I will show you right now though what to do if you want to get rid of your contacts from separate contact list. Hit Delete also at the top right corner. Then tap on the ones you want to get rid of, or to delete all of them, click at the top left corner. Then choose Done at the bottom right one. Tap on Don't Add or Add in Want to Add Some Contacts pop-up to confirm your choice. Then go back, and in case you want to disable your separate contact list fully, use blue switcher and hit Yes in Use Your Regular Contacts pop-up. So now with this out of the way, let's clone our app. I have only Facebook available, but you'll see a list of all available apps to clone on your phone. Click on gray switcher next to the chosen one, hit Install, and go back to check it out. As you can see, Facebook was successfully cloned. If you will ever wanna delete your clone, go back to the same section of your settings, use blue switcher, and choose Uninstall in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!